A breakdown can be an emergency, especially if you are alone or in an exposed or dangerous position close to fast or heavy traffic. Your first priority should always be your own and your passengers' safety, then you can move on to dealing with the problem with your car. Hello, welcome to Drive Safe Now, and today we are going to discuss about how to manage car breakdown. But before we start, please ensure you have subscribed to your channel and press the bell icon to ensure you get notifications to new video, because we are safe drivers. If your car breaks down, first ensure that you don't panic. The most important thing is to stay calm and slowly move the car to the side of the road. Don't brake quickly, as it can cause an accident. Make sure to use hazard lights to alert the vehicles behind you. Once you are at a safe distance, you can exit the car. Here we'll share with you what we've learned about the most common causes of breakdowns and how to avoid them. Dead of faulty battery, running out of fuel, tire punctures, overheating and due to AdBlue or DEF. Battery faults are the most common cause of breakdowns, especially in the winter. If you've got a problem with your battery, you might not be able to start your car. A car's battery powers the starter motor, and then the engine turns the alternator, which recharges the battery. Here are a few simple things you can do to avoid flat battery while driving. Running out of fuel is another problem drivers call roadside assistance companies for. It can be easy to overestimate how much fuel is still left in the tank. It's best not to rely on your car's display, which shows how many miles left. Punctures, like flat batteries, are usually greeted with a groan. They're often caused by a sharp object. Here are a few reasons. Here are a few simple tips to avoid tire punctures. Checking tire pressure regularly will help avoid breakdowns. Overheating can be a top cause of breakdowns. If your temperature warning light's on, there could be problem with the engine or with the cooling system. Make sure you regularly check and top up your coolant. You can also check your car's cooling fan at the same time. Most modern diesel vehicles use selective catalyst reduction, which lowers harmful nitrogen oxide. There's a mileage countdown display on the dashboard that'll warn you about how far you can drive on what's left. Having the right equipment can make all the difference between being stuck beside the road for hours and getting to your destination quickly. Here are some essential items you should have in your emergency kit, and some useful one which will help you to improvise and navigate through situation. Please suggest in comments what other items you carry in your emergency kit for long drives. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video will help you manage situation of breakdown well. Always remember, we need to take care of our vehicle so that it can take care of us on road. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, drive safe now.